Yo, we back, man. Back up in here with another one of them things. That my daddy? Yep. Back up in here with another one of them things, man. Hey, same clothes on. Cause get what? Same day. Man, back-to-back footage, man. Bike to bike. So, man, look, y'all call if y'all want this footage like this, man, continue to subscribe, man. Like, comment, all that good stuff, share, all that. Follow me on Facebook, BeeloNation Farmer. Follow me on Instagram, BeeloNation _LLC. All the good stuff right there, man. Share out it, all that. Man, so y'all seen the previous videos, man. I was working with the box. And I was talking about 7 Days Shifter Boy show. You know what I'm saying? Talking about a fleet. Well, it's only 3 cars here that'll be actually doing something. 1, 2, 3, 4 cars here that'll actually be doing something. The box, the Trans Am, the Camaro, the Blazer. Hold on, let me hold that pause right quick. Hold that pause right quick. I'm gonna hit y'all right back. Where you go?
Oh,
there you go.
Lord.
Yeah. So we trying to get these cars moving around, man. So tow truck probably gonna bring a car on the tow truck. That's what I'm thinking. Bring a car on the tow truck. That'll be like a trailer. So we can bring a car on the tow truck, then put a car on the trailer. Get somebody to drive the tow truck. Get somebody to drive the truck on the trailer. I mean the truck and trailer. This car is gonna be there. All original car, with the exception of, you know what I'm saying, headlights, stuff like that. Gotta get this spoiler. Gotta get this spoiler piece. I don't know if he gonna paint it or not. But the interior done, the top done. Gotta get a gas tank cap. Interior done. I said interior done, top done. You know what I'm saying? This right here, original car, this how it's gonna stay. I might take these seat belts out and get them some seat belts done. You know what I'm saying? Get them some seat belts done. What up, boy? Let me see. What I was saying? I'll get him some seatbelts done. Stuff like that. Look like you need another what's called though, cause you got some strapped over this, so it look like you're gonna need a glove box door. I don't know what's going on with that. Try to figure that out. He probably got all this stuff though. I don't know what this is. What's some headers? What is that too? I don't know what that's to. Ain't gonna worry about it. But yeah, man, I already got the 22-inch eye rocks on it. Probably gonna paint it. It will make sense to paint it. You know what I'm saying? Gonna paint it back. Paint it back the same color as well. You know what I'm saying? Get that thing ready. The Blazer. Be gone. Blazer, I don't know. I have to try to. I got a picture in my phone that probably motivate him to get on this Blazer. Can I open that door over there? Nope. But the interior on this junk did too. Y'all can't see it, but it's pitch black. Black leather seats, black door panels, black everything in this junk. Purse shifter. Y'all can't see nothing in there. Tint, too dark. It's black. You know what I'm saying? It's black for sure. You know what I'm saying? Take that off. He don't need that on there. Yeah, try to get this Blazer ready for the show. Probably gonna leave them same little 17s on there. Just get it ready for the show. Get it running. Take it to the show. They can possibly go on the trailer, I guess. On one of the trailers or the tow truck, I guess. I don't know. But then we got We got got this old GTA. It's 89, man. GTA interior done. But I wanna do a few things to this car. You know what I'm saying? Like the door sweeps. They painted the door handles. I don't know why they did that. Painted the mud flaps, which this car don't need no mud flaps. So the paint not bad. It's just the details that go with it that's gonna make it, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna really bring it back out. So probably sand this, paint this back over. But the interior done in this as well. Interior already done. It ain't really too much to do inside of here. He turned the music on. I know he came here and turned the music on. But yeah, there's a crack in the dash crack, of course. But yeah, man, we you know, this is his stuff. I might do the same thing with this. Take his seat belts and get them done. And then T-top car. Might get it done because he got some rust around here. I think the steering column is jacked. I think the steering wheel worked though. I think something going on with that. Something he was doing. But yeah, man, get this stuff here together. Get these cars together. Y'all can see it's a lot, but it ain't a lot to get these cars together. You know what I'm saying? So, and these cars gonna stay original, man. We ain't gonna put no big rims on them. Like this car gonna stay how it is. We ain't putting 22s on this. I thought about it, but I don't think we gonna do it. Hold on, man. Hold on. Man, he still didn't turn off. Just turned it down. But anyway, I'm gonna try to talk over it. Oh, there you go. Try to talk over it. But yeah, this is gonna be at the show. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, original car, man. So, like I said, it's an 89 original car. We're gonna get these door handles up off here, these door locks out of here, and put them back. I think they black. Put all this stuff back black how it's supposed to be. Door sweeps, get all the roll pieces that we need. See if I can find all this stuff. This one need a bumper, the spoiler as well. It needs a spoiler on that one. That's new. That's new right there. So what happened to this one on this side? Oh, it's in there. Oh, okay. So he probably put the lights in there. I wonder if he do the back. Pretty sure he did. If he did, nah, he ain't do the back. So yeah, he probably got them though. I don't know what all he got for this car. But yeah, man. We trying to get all this stuff ready. Trans Am GTA. See if I can find some GTA emblems because I'm sure they ain't supposed to be painted like this. I don't know who did that or why they did that. Being lazy. Yeah. But man, yeah. Connecting over competing, man. 2025. It's gonna be different. It's gonna be different for me. MayRose gonna be there. The box gonna be there. It's time, man. It's time to get it on. So, that being said, man, let me gonna cover all this stuff up, man. Finna holler at Pop, see what he got going on. Let him probably write down stuff that we need for the bubble. I mean for the box. What else? That's probably it. Either way, I'll let y'all know, man, in a minute when I get done. Let y'all know in a minute when I get done, man, and pick the camera back up. We'll talk a little bit more, and we'll just close it out. So, yeah, let me wrap all this stuff up, man. It's getting hot now. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Ain't man himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Man Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Man Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man. And yeah, enjoy those. Enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. Yeah, I left something out, man. I was talking about all the stuff that, talking about all the cars that need to get to person show. And I left something out, man. So, these are the ones that's not here. The El Camino not here. The 62 Bel Air 4-door, that's not here. Y'all done seen that on the channel before. The 85 short bed is not here. The 78 El Camino not here. Y'all seen that? The 94 Vet not here. We got 2 tops to that joint. I got a hard top and a convertible top. The 70 truck not here. 70 GMC not here. Y'all seen that car? That's car I was in. I think this the motor to the 69 El Camino, the blue one I just showed y'all. Yeah, man. You gotta get these jumps together, man. Gotta get them together. The person show. Also, hold on, let me step back out. Hold on. Also, man, I forgot. This car ain't got no fender trim on it. So we gotta get that fender trim, man. I knew something looked off. Gotta go and get the fender trim. Put that back on. I don't think it came with it, so I'm gonna have to buy some, find some somewhere. Put that on. Cause we need that luxury feel, man. You know what I'm saying? We need that, so I got this out. I need to clean all this up. Spray it with some water, clean all this up, man. Yep. Oh, I'm trying to go. I don't know how it go. I go like this. Yep, it's broke. Pull them out. On the clips. The top ones didn't break too much, so, and I wouldn't be able to get them out unless I took the one out. This one broke, this one, but this one's still good, so I might roll with them. If not, I'm gonna have to take the back glass out to put some more clips in there. Yeah. Let's see how this gonna work. We should be good though. We should be good.